Welcome back to Creations by Kim. We're going to do a little bit of pour painting here. So anyway, let's get started. I've got some stuff pre-mixed. I'm going to try to go like tritones here and see how that works. I've got Ivory from Apple Barrel, Nutmeg Brown again from Apple Barrel, and Light Mocha from Apple Barrel. And I am using Floetrol as my medium. Probably about a 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. So anyway, I'm just gonna do pouring. I'm not sure exactly what kind of design I'm going for, but we're just gonna do some random pouring in here. Oh, that one's kind of getting thick in there. Let's see. I have pre-treated my canvas with gesso. Maybe a little more of that. I've only done a few, but I did hear about the spritzing water on the back of the canvas, and so I started doing that also. I haven't used any silicone. I'm kind of liking the cells and stuff that the Floetrol makes. So go ahead and add a little more. Kind of shy on the paint in my cup. Looks like I got about 4 ounces in there, so I'm trying to think if I want to flip it or if I just want to pour it on there and see how it goes. You know what? Let's try that. I'm gonna stick. Put some on it. Alright, could be an interesting mix there. You can see where I stopped pouring and started scraping, and I didn't realize it was drizzling on the canvas. some running off going on here. Some scraping going on. Almost looks like chocolate milk while you're stirring it. I was wasting a lot of paint, as you can imagine, or it felt like it anyway. That one actually went pretty smooth. Well, what do you think? I think we might just stop there. That one was fairly quick and easy. Not as much playing around with that one. Cool. Again, it's like chocolate ice cream or vanilla ice cream with chocolate syrup. Something, not for sure. Oh well, there you go. That was a quick and easy one. Alright, well, thanks for joining me for Creations by Kim. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and share it and everything. And I guess we'll see y'all next go around. Bye-bye.